Welcome, guys, back to Luxury Auto Express. I know. It's been a while since my last update, but just had family stuff to take care of and a bunch of other stuff.
Very busy.
Anyhow, today we're working on a 2015 Dodge Ram truck. What we're doing with it is going to be replacing a solid rear axle. So this is not just any Dodge Ram. This is my grandpa-in-law's truck. Your grandpa.
My papa.
Papa. We love Papa. So here she is, sitting out there. We're about to pick it up, take it to the shop, get to it. Stay tuned. So the story with this truck. When Papa got this truck, he was saying there's noises in it. He took it to our shop. They quoted him $1,000 to replace all 4 bearings. So as I heard that, I'm not gonna have Papa spend $1,000. I took it to the shop, check it out for myself, what actually can be the problem. And as I picked it up in the lift, we diagnosed the car. It turns out that the rear solid axle, the gears are worn out, so when you drive, the car whines. I don't know if you can hear it right now. So let's get it to the shop, pick it up on the lift. I already got the new solid axle waiting out there. Not new, but used, but low miles, good condition. Let's swap it out, change the gear oil, do the brakes. Should be driving like a champ. Papa, this one's for you. We love you. Well, guys, so far we put the car together. So let's take a first spin, see how it drives, and let's stop by our friendly Advanced Auto Parts and pick up the gear oil. The brakes, we tested them, so brakes are still good. But with all this work, let's go ahead and take the pan off. Put some fresh gear oil in and new seal. Well, guys, to end this video, I'll let you know the car drives amazing. We stopped by Advanced Auto Parts. We picked up the oil, the gear, the gasket. We're gonna replace it, and after I'll give you a glimpse how the car rides. And from there on, you guys have a well one. God bless. We are gone. The oil seems off the thing, but best to change it out.